Process Simulate, Speed Run. Create a full path in 3 seconds. Select the surface, choose the shape, set the orientation. Done. Hit play, and your robot is already following the path. First, a quick panorama. What a powerhouse welding cell. 5 external axes rotate the parts exactly where we need them, at the angle we want, and the FANUC robots ride on an additional external axis. Now the tool in action. Select the surface. Set the orientation for your locations. Choose the spacing. That's it. In seconds, the first path is generated, and the robot can run it immediately. Smooth, clean, ready for simulation. Case 2. Pick a surface, choose a shape, for example, a circle. Define the spacing and hit Create. Done. The second robot jumps right in and starts following its paths. We repeat the workflow 3 more times across the part. Same method, same speed. Before you know it, all robot paths on the component are ready. Fast, consistent, and fully aligned with your process. What you're seeing is the real advantage. External axes positioning the part for ideal access. Robots on a track to maximize coverage, and a tool that turns surface. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube so you don't miss new features and workflows in Process Simulate.